You are going to love the 2020 Macan. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, fog lights. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touch screen display, audio speed-sensitive volume control, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet. Come take a test drive today.